She need to shut the fuck up. Fucking waking everybody up in the fucking house with this shit. Shit getting fucking annoying. I love you, but you gotta shut the fuck up. She gonna be mad at me when she see this video. But I don't give a fuck. She needs to shut her ass up. Or I'm gonna start sleeping my ass in another room. I hear bullshit all fucking night. This what the fuck I gotta put up with every fucking night. And now she wanna stop. What the fuck? Every time I take the camera off, she stop.